Hello, in this video we'll give you a walkthrough of the admin dashboard. Placeholder has already been auto-filled with the credentials for demo purposes. Before going through the dashboard, let's find out what roles do we have in order to be fully aware. So, a super admin dashboard has a role, a super admin can access all the features, and a vendor has multiple restaurants with him, so we can make a vendor over here. Then in login credential you'll have access to multiple restaurants. Then we have a restaurant owner. An individual restaurant can be accessed through an app by making a credential in the restaurant menu. Over here we have multiple restaurants that we have created. Restaurant sections. For the restaurant sections, we have sections are made in the app. So this feature is used for that purposes. Over here we can see all the users. And riders as well. When creating a rider, a zone is assigned to him. So that rider can receive an order if that order is located in that zone. Configuration can be set as well, for example, email, delivery, PayPal, Stripe, and currency as well. Coupons can be made, which can be used during checkout and customer app. Tipping options, zone. Zones are made for rider, so he can operate in that particular zone. You can create a zone as well, also edit a existing zone. Dispatch is for the super admin view over here. Normally the process of managing orders is when an order is placed, restaurant needs to accept it. When the restaurant accepts the order, error notification is received to a particular rider in that zone. But in case of any issues, super admin can change the status of the order as well as assign the order. Notifications are for global notifications. If you write a notification over here, it will be sent to all the customers who are using this application. Commission rates. So commission rates are made for making split checkouts used integrated with Stripe. For example, if an order is placed and you need to split the commission between the restaurant and yourself, this is done automatically with the commission rates. Let's go through the process of making a restaurant, and then, for example, over here we'll add a new restaurant. Restaurant address, so you can see in the customer app. Delivery time and minimum order result. Seal tags, you can put an image over here. We have successfully created a restaurant, but before the restaurant can be live in the app, we need to do few things. A category is added by default, food item is added by default as well. You can create another one as well. Also, orders can be seen over here. So basically orders are received to the restaurant app by using the credentials that you have made over here. You can access the restaurant app over there. Options and add-ons, when creating the food, and everything can be added over, as well add-ons and timings. If you have different timings, then payment. For example, if you need to get paid using Stripe Split Checkout, you need to submit your details for Stripe. This is in test mode, so for your environment, you need to add in a production keys, delivery bounds and location. Now this is an important thing. In order for your restaurant to be shown in that particular location, you need to define the restaurant bounds and everything. So let's remove this marker and let's set it over here, and then draw delivery bounds. So for example, right now we have made a delivery bound, so any user in that area will see your restaurant. Just to see how an existing restaurant is working, let's check out all the profile and things that have been filled for an existing restaurant. We see analytics over here, but the recommendation is for the global analytics to use Amplitude dashboard, which you can see in the documentation as well. That is more powerful. Categories have been made, food items have been made, profile. You see the orders of it over here as well. Different options and add-ons. This delivery bounds have already been made, so a user in that particular zone will see this restaurant. For demo purposes, the bounds are really large, but in production environment, the bounds are usually small. That's about it. That's a brief introduction to the admin dashboard. If you have any questions, please let me know.